Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into how to use Sintra AI in 2025. Sintra AI is an incredibly powerful tool that can transform the way businesses operate, providing automation, improving workflows, and boosting productivity. Whether you're using it for customer service, data analysis, or content creation, we've got you covered with the best method to get started. Let's dive in. Step 1. Sign up for Sintra AI to begin. Head over to the Sintra AI website and sign up for an account. You'll need to input basic information about your business and choose a plan that fits your needs, whether it's for a small team or an enterprise. Once your account is created, log in to access the dashboard. Step 2. Customize your AI experience. After logging in, it's time to customize Sintra AI to match your business needs. You can choose from different AI models based on your specific requirements. Sintra offers multiple solutions such as customer service AI, sales AI, or even AI for project management. Select the type that aligns with your goals. Next, personalize the AI by setting its tone, language, and preferred communication style. Whether you want the AI to sound professional or casual, you can configure it to match your company's personality. Step 3. Integrate with business tools. Sintra AI works best when it's integrated with the software you're already using. You can connect Sintra AI to your CRM, project management tools, email system, and marketing platforms. This allows the AI to work seamlessly across your existing processes, making it more effective in handling tasks like customer support, sales inquiries, and data management. Step 4. Train your AI. Sintra AI needs data to operate efficiently. Upload historical data, such as customer interactions, sales conversations, and support tickets, to train the AI. You can fine-tune the system so that it handles interactions in a way that's consistent with your company's values and communication style. Additionally, use Sintra's live training feature, which helps the AI learn from ongoing interactions and improve over time. By continuously training the AI, it becomes more adept at understanding customer needs and responding effectively. Step 5. Set up workflows and automations. One of the best features of Sintra AI is its ability to automate tasks. Set up workflows for common tasks like customer onboarding, support ticket management, and data processing. Sintra AI can automatically trigger actions, send emails, or notify team members when certain conditions are met, reducing the need for manual intervention. You can also create custom automation scripts to suit your specific business processes. The more tasks you automate, the more efficient your team becomes. Step 6. Monitor performance and optimize. Once your Sintra AI is up and running, it's important to monitor its performance. Check the AI's interactions and responses to ensure they align with your expectations. Sintra AI provides analytics to help you track its success and identify areas for improvement. If necessary, fine-tune workflows or retrain the AI to handle new tasks more effectively. Continuous optimization ensures that Sintra AI grows with your business. Step 7. Scaling with Sintra AI. As your business grows, Sintra AI can scale with it. Whether you're expanding your customer support team or adding more advanced automation for new projects, Sintra AI is designed to adapt. You can easily add new modules, workflows, and integrate with additional tools as your company evolves. And that's it. You've learned how to use Sintra AI in 2025 to enhance your business operations. With its powerful features and automation capabilities, Sintra AI can help you save time and boost efficiency. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next video.